How can we impact the future of humanity?
If there will be a one true cryptocurrency, we will be the ones to build it.
Which sounds grandiose and like bold, and is bold, but that's actually what we're trying to do.
I'm Nevin Freeman.
My name's Daniel.
My name is Kathleen.
My name's Jeffrey Laddish.
Right now I'm protocol team lead.
I do a lot of our admin, HR, our financial stuff.
I'm in charge of information security.
I'm the co-founder of Reserve. Reserve is a cryptocurrency that is meant to function like normal money. If we remove the final major barrier to cryptocurrency being usable as normal money, not as one of these speculative sort of slot machine games, do people actually want that? Do people actually want to use cryptocurrency as normal money? And my bet is that in places like the US, they don't. I just don't see why they would. In other parts of the world where the existing money is really non-functional, or situations where it's hard to move money around the world, those are the main two real-world use cases that I see for cryptocurrency.
So we're a bit different than a normal software team because we're building a decentralized application on Ethereum. We're basically not actually creating that many lines of code, but the code that we create has to be super secure. So essentially there just can't be any vulnerabilities in any of the things that we write.
In order to build something like we're trying to build, you need to be able to learn things quickly. You need to be able to develop expertise in things that you don't have expertise in, just because things change so quickly in what we need to do.
I guess the thing that I like most about my job is really just scenarios where there's a complicated problem and we're able to come up with a solution to it that fits really beautifully together.
The reason that I feel like quite motivated to be here is that I'm working with people who are excellent and care about not just like the quality of the work, but also self-improvement and the trajectory of self-improvement.
I think something that's special about our team is that people aren't just here to play their part or to get a paycheck. They're here as a component of their sort of actualization of themselves.
We don't have people are doing their jobs because that's what they signed up for. We have much more of like, well, here we all are, and here are the things that need to get done, and who's best positioned to do them. But it's comprised of people from engineering and people from research who were just willing to step up and say like, okay, you know, there are enough people covering my area that I can branch out and do this crazy like 3-week sprint, you know, learning all sorts of things about economics.
We're pretty intentionally building a team that has kind of shared values and like similar intentions for building something that's going to have a particular kind of effect on the world.
I think we've been able to maintain a really special team of people that have their life force actually flowing through trying to create the thing that we're trying to create.
So if you think that you might be one of those people, if you have the vision of dramatically changing the world by creating this real digital currency, please get in touch. We'd love to talk to you, and we're going to need a lot of help.